welcome back to school and happy hump day. It's our day right in the middle of the week. The other real name for hump day is Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. Let's figure out our date. Yesterday was the 4th. When I count, I say 4, 5. Today is Wednesday, May the 5th, 2021. We need to add another day of school because we're here for another day of school, right? Here we go. Add in this guy. All right. Now we are getting super close to 10, so we better make sure, because if there's 10 or more, we got to kind of rearrange them. 10s have to go into the 10 spot, of course. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh, what do we have to do? We have to move them over into our 10s, okay? So I'm going to group these together. I know that these are 10 now, so I don't have to count them every time, do I? I can just count them by 10. I don't have to count them by ones anymore, and that saves a little bit of time, okay? Now, we better make sure that we don't have 10 groups of 10, because if we have 10 groups of 10, that's 100, and it needs to go over into our 100 spot, okay? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whew, okay, we're good. We only have 5 sets of 10, or that would be 50, if you're wondering. Let's figure out how many days we've been in school. We're going to count this by 100, these by 10s, and then we don't have any ones to count today because we just moved them over. Count with me. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. 150 days of school. All right. How many groups of 100 did I have? Just one. So that's my numeral 1 right there. How many groups of 10 do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, so I need the number 5 right here instead of 4. We don't have 4 groups of 10 anymore, we have 5. How many ones do we have? 0, 0 ones. Change that to 0, and now I have 150. Great job. Let's do our dime poem today. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember your worth 10. Okay. What does ing say? Ing. Ing. Let's make some new words. This will be a fun one. Ing. Zing. It's fun. It's kind of a real word. It's actually called an onomatopoeia. That's a fun word to say, onomatopoeia. Those are words that sound like sounds. Another one. Ing, ching. It's another one that's like an onomatopoeia. Sometimes you hear people say cha-ching when they're pretending to open up a cash register. Goodness. All right, let's move on to our shapes. I'm holding a shape. I'm going to describe it to you. See if you can figure it out. It's flat, or a 2D shape. It's got 4 sides and 4 corners, or 4 vertices. But 2 sides are longer and 2 sides are shorter. What do you think I'm holding? It's a rectangle. This guy's a rectangle. He's flat like a pancake, or 2D, right? Got 4 sides and 4 corners, or 4 vertices. That's that fancy word for that. All right, I'm gonna hold up some dot cards. You tell me which one's more. Ready? Which one's more? 8. 8 is more than 3. Good job, guys.